Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Today we will learn about chapter 7, Plants, Forms and Functions. So dear children, open your book, page number 67. Chapter 7, Plants, Forms and Functions. Children, from this chapter we will learn about classification of plants and structure of plants. Plants are different shape and size. So first we discuss about classification of plants. On the basis of size, plants can be grouped into three main categories: herbs, shrubs and trees. In addition to this, there are climbers and creepers also. Herbs. Plants with soft green stems are called herbs. They are generally short in height and have no branches. They usually complete their life cycle in 1 or 2 seasons. For example, coriander, mustard, mint, wheat and grass. Then shrubs. Plants with hard and woody stems just above the surface of the soil are called shrubs. Shrubs have an average lifespan of 4 to 5 years. For example, rose, China rose and lemon. Then trees. Plants that are tall and have thick hard brown stems are called trees. Their stems branch out and spread above the ground. For example, guava tree, neem tree and mango tree. Climbers. Plants that take support of neighboring structures and climb up are called climbers. For example, pea and money plant. Then creepers. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. For example, bottle gourd, pumpkin and cucumber plant. Structure of the plants. A plant can be divided into two parts, the root system and the shoot system. First we will discuss about root system. The root is the part of a plant which grows below the soil and holds the plant straight and upright. The root grows towards the ground. Plants have two types of root systems, tape roots and fibrous roots. Then tape roots. The main root which grows in the middle from the base of the plant is called the tape root. Smaller roots called secondary roots, which look like branches, grow from the main root. Tape roots are found in radish, pea and gram plants. Then fibrous roots. Some plants do not have the main root. Instead, a bunch of thin fiber-like roots arise from the base of the plant. They spread out into the soil and give support to the plant. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Wheat, grass, maize and millet have fibrous roots. Then, functions of the roots. The roots of a plant perform following functions. First one is they anchor and give support to the plant. Second one is they absorb water and minerals required for the growth and development of the plant. Third one is roots prevent soil erosion caused by wind or water. Modified roots. Some roots such as radish, turnip, sweet potato and carrot are modified to store food. Some roots are modified to give additional support to the plant. These arise like ropes from the branches and trunk of the plants and grow towards the soil. These are called prop roots. Prop roots can be seen in the banyan tree and sugarcane. Some roots of leguminous plants like peas and beans have nodulous or knob-like structures that harbor special bacteria that convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates in the soil. Then comes to shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. It consists of the main stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. So children, stem is the main part of the plant. Then stem. The central and main axis of the plant is called the stem. It bears the flowers, leaves and fruits. It is the main major link between the root and the rest of the plant. Stems that are hard and woody like in trees are called the trunks. They may be covered with bark. Stems are also soft and green as in herbs and weak as in climbers. The stem has the following parts: node, internode, axis and bud. What is node? It is the area on the stem from which the leaves grow. Internode is the part of the stem between two consecutive nodes. Then axis. It is the angle between the stem and the branch. Then bud. It is the part of a young stem protected by overlapping young sepals. Buds are of two types: axillary bud and apical bud. Axillary bud is located in the axis of the stem and helps in giving birth to new branches. The apical bud is located at the tip of the stem and helps in increasing the height of the plant. Then functions of the stem. The stem bears the leaves, flowers as well as fruits and holds them upright. Stem transports water and food between the roots and rest of the plant. Some stems, generally underground like onion, ginger and potato, are modified to store food. Stems of some plants are weak and therefore their lateral branches are modified to form tendrils for support. Tendrils help plant climb by coiling around the neighboring objects like in grapes. In xerophytes like cactus, stems become green and succulent to perform photosynthesis. Leaf. Leaves are thin, green, flat structures that perform photosynthesis. These are attached to the stem by a soft, thin and cylindrical structure called petiole. The point of attachment in the stem is known as a node. The flat green portion of a leaf is called the leaf blade or the lamina. It bears the green pigment, chlorophyll, that helps in photosynthesis. Each leaf has a central midrib which is the extension of the petiole in the lamina. This midrib branches into a network of tubular structures called veins. The veins provide support to the blade and transport food, water and minerals to and from the leaves. Let's see the picture of a leaf. Children, this is the structure of a one leaf. This one is petiole. The cylindrical part is petiole and the strip part is node. And this one, the middle one is midrib. And this one, the border one is blade. And this is the pen. Leaves come in different shapes and sizes. A simple leaf is made of a single leaf blade connected by a petiole to the stem. For example, a mango leaf and a maple leaf. The arrangement pattern of these veins in the leaf blade is called venation. The leaves of plants show two distinct patterns, parallel and reticulate. In parallel, the veins here are arranged parallel to each other, like in banana and grass leaves. In reticulate pattern, there is a net-like arrangement on both sides of the leaves, like in people, neem and mango leaves. Such a venation is called reticulate venation. Then functions of the leaves. Leaves prepare food with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide by the process of photosynthesis. Leaves have tiny pores that help in exchange of gases during respiration. These pores present on both sides of the leaves are called stomata. Exchange of water present in plants is lost through stomata present in the leaves. This is called transpiration. So what is transpiration, children? Exchange of water present in plants is lost through stomata present in the leaves. This is called transpiration. So children, you remember what is photosynthesis and what is transpiration. Then modified leaves. Leaves in some plants are modified into tendrils to give support to their weak stems. For example, glory lily and peas. In xerophytes means desert plants like cacti. The leaves are small and pointed or reduced to spines to prevent water loss. Some leaves store food and are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. For example, spinach. So children, whatever I taught you, again read this lesson properly. For today, this much. Thank you.